Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are playing Don't Push the Button. Obviously you're supposed to.
I'm not in yet, so.
Right, Maddie. This is Maddie right here. Guys, just know that I'm so tall and she's so short, and she's wearing like not a very good team shirt. There's a button here. What do I do with it?
Miss how?
Sounds like he's rolling. Oh, whoa! Oh, Maddie just got blown up.
No, I can't.
Oh no.
Anyway.
People just get. Oh! Bro, people, everyone's getting blown up. Money! I got the money. Yes.
I'm in.
Don't press the button. I don't listen to him. Yeah, what's this? Oh, do I have to? A rocket launch me. Oh, where's Maddie? I want to rocket launch you. Well, not if I die.
Let's be doing. Shut up. Next turn. When
I love spending time with you. I need
Where's Maddie? There you go. Let's do volleyball. I'm too Me about to drink a potion. I'm so tiny. Don't fall off. How am I not supposed to fall off? If I'm like so tiny. Look at me, Maddie. Can you even see me, guys? You might not be able to see me, but I'm right here. Don't lose me. The energy's high. Whoa! Okay, we're just spinning circles. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay, we're back. This is so crazy. I died too. Wait, how did people? It's right there. Oh, you don't have it. I do. I must have brought something. Oh yeah, I brought some. It's here. I know this. It's 650. You've got 26. Hi, Maddie. I'm so tiny. Money. It's a note to my money. Well, there's a mystery. Oh, I'll take it.
I take it.
I'm gonna drink it. I dare you. No, you can press it. Who took it? Like,
Oh, you walk slow. No, you don't.
wait, do you walk slow? Okay, I won't drink it. Well, you got it to get rid of it. I got it. What do you mean, Maddie? I'm still sprinting. Gotta go fast.
Where?
Because I gotta go fast. Run. I'm fast. Look how slow Maddie is. She's our old grandma. Or grandpa, or whatever. Think fast. What just happened?
I'm not.
You just have to think fast. Hard to see. Wait, you have to hide, but why hard to see? I'm gonna win. Wait, wait, this kid coming clutch. I'm so tiny. Wait, Maddie, look. Guys, look, I'm so tiny. Guys, I'm tiny.
I'm a seeker.
You are?
Yeah.
No, look, you can't look at me. You can't look at my screen. You can't look at my screen, Maddie. Guys, I'm hiding in like plain stuff. I'm not playing. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I'm talking. I gotta drink it. Don't move. Yes, Maddie. That was right here. I won. That came in. Don't fall in the lava. What do you mean? Oh, so do you just not have to stand there, or do you? Okay, so you don't. I probably should have not drank my potion. Hey, you're still alive. Then you gotta go that way, I think. I don't know. So like now they're gonna run the way it's the opposite. It's only one person. Not two. Where's the third? Where? No one's there. Someone's invisible. Oh yeah. Oh, I see him. Can you see him? Guys, on my screen. He's right. He just fell. Oh, yay. That's easy. Bro, how? Wait, why can't you jump? Look at me. I'm the button presser. Look. Dang. Jumping. What? You just had to jump. That sounded easy enough. Watch out for the spikes. Where's spikes? Oh, there. Oh! Whoa. Go. Guys. I don't want to die. How did you fall off? This is quite easy. You don't even have to move, really. Oh! Whoa, so close to her. Die. Oh, whoa. I'm gonna stand on the top of her head. Oh, she's dead? Yes. She was the camper. Wish I didn't want to survive. Yes, I survived. I died.
Oh, you can't touch that.
Yeah, duh. What else do you think they're there for? Guys, they call me the parkour pro. Definitely not Maddie, because Maddie's no good at parkour. How did I touch it? Guys, watch back that footage. Do you think I touched it? Or do you think I'm just wrong and I'm blind?
Touch it.
Yeah, I didn't even. I want to be button presser. Get on the top. Bro, that was like easy. I was like the first one that had the reaction time. Yes, I won. Yes. I didn't get this. It's like someone gonna like. What's gonna happen? I'm so tall compared to all of you. I need to be button presser again.
My press the button.
Nah, I wonder who did. No! I don't want it to be too late. Oh yes, I did it! Yeah! Hit the floss. Guys, when you win, you just gotta flow. Right, can I small while doing the emo? I want to emo. Wait, imagine if this actually works. Look how tiny I am. Oh, whoa, delivered the pizza to the correct house. I'm on 23. Where's 23?
I'm not.
Oh, 9. No, I know where 20. No, I need 23. 23 must be over here. I need to find 23. Tell me if you find 23. if you find 23. What do you need?
No.
I'll take it 5 9. I need to find 23. Oh, there's one over here. There's a few over here.
I found nine.
No, you didn't. Did you find 23?
I'm done.
23! No, I had it! I saw it. I literally saw it. What the fire rings? Where are the fire rings? Oh! What? It's... Oh, I can jump really high, can you? But we're dodging it. That was easy. Oh! Oh! Oh, shit. Right, it's still here. It's still coming. You must have. I'm winner! I'm the winner! I'm the winner!
I can't even see. I'm small.
What? What if I do my potion? Oh, I'm bigger now! I'm way bigger than you are! I'm way bigger and fatter. Avoid the cube. Oh! Okay, we'll do like a 3 more. Look at Maddie, look at Tony cheese. I love cheeseburgers. I wanna get smaller. I like my teddy bear. I like my teddy bear. Oi! Oi, cube! Take this! Ah! I just want my bowl back. I just want my bowl.
Let's go, Michael. Let it go. Okay.
Ah! Yeet it! I wanna yeet the ball at it. Yeet the ball! Ah! Yeah, I won! No, you need to dunk that off. Ew. Wait, what's ew? Who? What? I pressed it. Stop the fire or the barrels will explode. How do we stop it? Where's the fire? Wait, how do we stop it? How did we? Okay, last one. Get ready. What actually just... Okay, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you liked it. That's going to wrap it up. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Wow, who has a bomb?